And Colome on the hill. He got it. Out on strikes for the 4th time. Boy, that was a great pitch. Look at this. Cut the base. 3-2 fastball. 2 up, 2 down.
Well, a 3-run lead, a 3-2 count, and no messing around there by Colome. If you're going to reach, you're going to reach on my best pitch, was my fastball.
1-2 again. Rays win. Strike 3 called at the knees. Fastball at 95 got him looking.